Right now, trust me, it is my honor, pleasure, and privilege to introduce one of my very favorite performers. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Queen Latifah.
So great to be here tonight, and thank you, Deborah.
Oh my God, she said my name! Deborah!
I said your name, girl. So, as I said, it is great to be here
tonight.
Oh,
girl, it is great to have you here. Queen, you go, girl! That's the queen!
All right, hey, Deborah. All right, you can relax now. You can relax now.
All right, give me some love. Give me some love. Give me the love. Give me the love. Yes! Yeah! Ooh! She all that and a bag of chips, yes?
Thank you so much.
Oh, okay, wait. Can I have the autograph? Wait.
Deborah, we're working right now. I'm trying to get...
Oh, come on, please, come on. I don't want to wait. You queen.
Okay, all right. Queen Latifah.
Yes! What is my name? I got it. You watching Weez? You better, because I got it. I told you I can get it. You owe me $10, baby. Look, I got it.